Hi, this is Yolanda from VanVeenBulbs.com. And in this segment, we're learning all about how to grow mint, one of my favorite herbs in my garden. Now, this particular plant is a spearmint, and it is a kind of mint as well as the traditional peppermint. So it's not quite as strong of a fragrance as the peppermint I found, so I almost like it a little bit better. Now, it's very easy to grow in the garden, and the easiest way to find it for sale is either in a container and you just plant it outside, or you start it by seed. And you can just put the seeds out after the last frost and they'll come up and make a nice plant for you over the summer. The key is full hot sun. They need a really sunny location and room to grow. And my advice with mint is contain it. Never put it in a bed where you can't control it, because it will take over your whole herb bed and take on every plant in your bed, and in the end, 10 years down the road, all you'll have is mint in that bed. So make sure when you do grow mint in your herb garden to contain it a little bit. Either grow it in containers in with the other plants, or put it to the side separated, and you can control its growth a bit, because it will multiply and multiply. And the best part about mint is it's so easy to use in the kitchen. So any time of the summer or even into the fall when there's nice lush growth on it, take a few of the leaves and mix it in with some iced tea, and you can make your own candy, or you can put it in with brownies too. They are great with brownies. And I found that mint is one of those flavors that just really you enjoy, and just putting a sprig in your mouth, it gives you fresh breath for the rest of the day. So whether it's peppermint or spearmint or any kind of mint, it's a great addition to your garden.